Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.7 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version, then click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system as Microsoft Windows. See, once we selected, it populated the installer information. See, here we have the MySQL 8.4.7 MSI file. Click on this download button. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is about 129 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install. See, download is completed. Now click on this MSI file to install. See, welcome to MySQL 8.4 setup wizard. So click on next. Select this checkbox, that is I accept the terms in the license agreement. Okay, you can go through this license agreement and click on next. Now we have to select the setup type. Typical, custom or complete. Okay, complete means it will install all programs. Okay, so you go to custom, optionally you can select or unselect any one of them. Okay, I want to install all, so select complete, then install. See, you have successfully installed. Now keep the checkbox, that is run MySQL configurator. Okay, or even if you unselect it and if you click on finish, then if you go to all applications, then go to MySQL folder. See here we have the MySQL 8.4 configurator. Either is fine. Then click on finish. Keep it as selected and click on finish. Now it will open the MySQL configurator. Click on next. See, this is the data directory location. If you want some other, then click on this browse button and select the path. Now click on next. See the version 8.4.7. okay, and now select the type and networking information. See here we have three options: development, server and dedicated. I am going with server computer. See, default port for the MySQL is 3306 and this is the protocol port. Okay, if you want to configure this named pipe shared memory, you can select this. Okay, I don't want, I am going with the defaults. Even show advanced and logging options, I am going with the defaults. Then click on next. Now we have to set the password for the MySQL root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. If you want to create user account, click on add user. Then you have to provide the username, then select the host type, then select the role. See here we have different roles. Okay, authentication type, MySQL we have only. Then provide the password. Okay, this is the way. Later also we can create the user. Then click on next. Now Windows service name. See, by default, see, this is the default name. If you want some other name like 847, you can give. And see the checkbox, start MySQL server at system startup. If you don't select it, it won't start. So I want to start automatically when system starts. Then run Windows service as standard system account or custom. Okay, if you select custom, you have to provide the username. I am going with standard system account. Then click on next. Then server file permissions. This is the location. See here we have three options: no, yes, but. Okay, I am going to select the first one, that is yes, grant full access to user running Windows service and the administrator group only, and other users and groups will not have the access. It is up to you, whatever you want you can select. Okay, see here we have different options. I am going with the first one. Then click on next. If you want to create sample databases like Sakila or World, you can select these. These are optional. I am going to create. Later if you don't want, you can connect to MySQL server and delete them. Then click on next. See, ready to apply the configurations. So click on this execute, or if you want to modify any one of them, like if you don't want these databases, you can unselect. Okay, not only this, whatever you want you can change. If you are okay with all the settings, then come to here, then review the settings one more time, then click on execute. See, applied configuration successfully. Then click on next. See, configuration complete. If you want to see the logs, just click on this copy log to keyboard and open in any text editor. Click on finish. So we have successfully configured. Now connect to MySQL server. Go to all applications, then go to MySQL folder. See, here we have the MySQL command line client. Okay, I have already installed MySQL Workbench. So first we will connect by using MySQL command line client. Then provide the password of the root account. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in to MySQL server 8.4.7 with the user root. See here the version 8.4.7. You can also get the version of the MySQL server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now we will verify the list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases and these Sakil and all are the example databases. Okay, now create database. Create database, then provide the name of the database. See, we have created. Verify again. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database. We have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. Now verify the same. Show table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. But before creating user, let us verify the default users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users. Let us create user. Create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or TPR. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or TPR on Windows operating systems. Let me open MySQL Workbench. See, here I have the MySQL Workbench. Now click on this plus button to connect to MySQL server from the MySQL Workbench. This is just connection name. Host name is loopback IP because I have installed MySQL on this one. You can give localhost or IP of the machine or machine name. Port number 3306. I have the user root and other user David. Okay. Then click on store in vault for the to enter the password. Then click on OK. Then click on test connection. See, click on continue. See, successfully made connection. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK. Then click on connection. See, we have successfully connected. See here, these are the databases. Bank is the database that we have created. Now, if you want to run query against this database, use then provide the select statement. Select all. Then I click on execute. See, you got the output. Okay. The last option that I want to show is go to services.msc. Then press on the key M on your keyboard. See, we have the MySQL 8.4.7 is the service name, and see, status is running. If you want to stop, right click, then stop. See, it is stopped. Now if you try to open same MySQL command line client, see, we are unable to connect. Okay, so again start it and verify. Click on this start button or click on this start link or right click and select start. All three are same. Okay, so start it, Click on start. See, we have successfully started. Now open MySQL command line client again. Provide the password of this root account. See, we have successfully connected. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.